Formax presents the FD 2056 Touchscreen Pressure Sealer. The FD 2056 Automatic Pressure Sealer provides the ultimate high-volume tabletop solution for processing pressure-sensitive one-piece mailers and is proudly made in the USA. Pressure seal forms can be used wherever a document can be printed and folded on one sheet, eliminating the cost of envelopes and creating a sealed mail-ready piece. The FD 2056 is fully automated and features a full-color touchscreen for quick and easy operation. The 2056 is fast, processing up to 17,000 forms per hour, with an integrated telescoping output conveyor capable of holding up to 500 processed forms at a time. User-friendly features include the full-color touchscreen, automatic fold settings that detect and adjust for various form sizes up to 11 by 17 inches, 5 pre-programmed standard folds, the ability to store up to 36 custom fold settings, and auto batch mode. The auto batch mode is used to process a set of documents with a delay between each set for easy handling. The FD 2056 features a drop-in feed system for dependable feeding of forms with no paper fanning required and an easy-to-use lever to adjust for different paper weights. A variety of pressure seal forms can be processed in no time with just a few simple steps. Lower the feed tray and load printed pressure seal forms. Press the Fold Select icon to choose from one of 5 pre-programmed fold types. Press the One Time button to process a single form for inspection. All set? Adjust your speed and press Start to begin processing. Forms are folded, sealed, and ready for the mail in a single pass. The FD 2056's advanced software allows for all standard fold types and paper sizes to be customized to meet your individual needs. The 2056 also includes a resettable 6-digit counter to keep an accurate count of forms processed. The patented telescoping conveyor stacker can be used in the closed position for tight spaces, or fully extended to hold up to 500 folded and sealed forms, which reduces the frequency of unloading processed forms. In addition, the fully automated outfeed stacker wheels eliminate the need for manual adjustment when switching between form sizes and fold types. The FD 2056 is proudly made in the USA, offers proven technology, and is an ideal solution for streamlining your pressure seal processing.